Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nitin Chhoda with Ignition Time. A lot of you posted comments in the previous video asking for some more information about this, and I'll be happy to provide you with that information. Let me be clear, for us it's not about the red or the blue, it's about the red, white and blue. This isn't about being Democrat or Republican, this is about being American. Because viewers and subscribers have asked for this, I'm going to go into this in a little bit more detail, and then you can look at the link in the description section below for the news outlet that reported this story and learn more information about this. But here's the information. The president has long been unwilling to release his tax returns because he said that there was nothing important in it, that there wasn't much to be learned. He said that individuals didn't care, and that's what the president said. The president has also said that he was a subject of an IRS audit, and he, because of that, he wanted to, he was focused on the IRS audit and didn't want the tax releases to be returned. So these tax returns, according to the news outlet that broke this article, I'll quote from the article. The tax returns that President Trump has long fought to keep private tell a story fundamentally different from the one he has told to the American public. So, according to these tax returns, you have businesses that do bring in hundreds of millions of dollars a year, but they have a significant amount of losses, chronic losses, that are used to avoid paying taxes. Because keep in mind that as a business owner, when you bring in money, but then if you have losses, you deduct those losses, and therefore if the losses exceed the income, then you basically do not end up paying any taxes. So that's what's going on. And and also, according to the news outlet, the records show that the president was depending more and more on making money from businesses that put him in potential and often in direct conflict of interest with the president's role as the president of the United States. This is according to the news article, and this news outlet analyzed tax returns lasting more than 2 decades for the president and hundreds of companies that make up the president's organization, including detailed information about the president's tax returns during his first 2 years in office. So that's interesting. So this analysis does not include the tax returns for 2018 and 2019, but it does include 2016 and 2017 and prior tax returns. We're talking an analysis of 2 decades of tax returns. So apparently the news outlet will publish additional articles in the coming weeks pertaining to this, and this is basically, the president again, has not made the tax returns public, and all these tax returns revealed information that the president did indeed provide to the IRS. These are not the findings of an independent financial organization. These are the tax returns provided to the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, and they report, I quote, that the president owns hundreds of millions of dollars in valuable assets, but they do not reveal his true wealth, nor do they reveal any previously unreported connections to Russia. So it sounds like what's happening here is a lawyer for the Trump organization said most, if not all, of the facts appear to be inaccurate, and he requested the documents for which they were based. And this news outlet refused to provide those records in order to protect its sources. And Mr. Garten, Alan Garten, a lawyer for the Trump organization, only took issue with the amount of taxes that the president had paid. He said, I quote, over the past decade, President Trump has paid tens of millions of dollars in personal taxes to the federal government, including paying millions in personal taxes since announcing his candidacy in 2015. Now, the use of the phrase personal taxes, Mr. Garten appears to be, mixing up income taxes with other federal taxes, which are basically Social Security, Medicare, and taxes. And Mr. Garten also asserted that some of what the president owed was, I quote, paid with tax credits, and that is what was said. And so all of us obviously know the president from The Apprentice, and the article says, indeed, the president's financial condition when he announced his run for president in 2015 lends some credence to the notion that his long-shot campaign was at least in part a gambit to reanimate the marketability of his name. So this is a story where information is coming in real time, and I will be able to provide you more information as we analyze this in the coming days and weeks. But let me know if you want more information about this. I'll be happy to break it down. Let me know in the comment section below. and I'll be happy to break it down for my viewers and subscribers. In case you don't know anything about me, my name is Dr. Nitin Chhoda with Ignition Time. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like, please subscribe, please enable notifications if you want to get instant updates from our channel going forward about important breaking news, about important balanced news that affects our economy, that affects our nation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.